Welcome to the Bulletin News of Vihari Media. Here we review the most stressful news and corona updates. This is Varadalakshmi. Today's news headlines. A total of 2,560 new coronavirus cases took Maharashtra's virus tally to 74,860. Latest bulletin shows 122 new deaths were reported, making the total number of deaths stand at 2,587. Mumbai registers the highest number of cases in the state with 43,492 infections and 1,417 deaths. COVID-19 with 9,000 new cases, India crosses 2,07,615 mark. Coronavirus cases worldwide cross 6.5 million mark, death toll at 3,87,911. The city is safe, said China. China's Wuhan test 10 million people for virus, finds only 300 positive cases. Arunachal Pradesh records one more COVID-19 case, tally rises to 28. Coronavirus vaccine, Moderna begins phase 2 human trials in USA. UK COVID-19 deaths hit 39,728 as another 359 patients died. International news. Donald Trump hits back at James Mattis, called him world's most overrated general. Peaceful rally mark held in Hudson for George Floyd. Giant asteroid tracked by NASA to fly by Earth this week. In 40 minutes of phone call, Trump invites Prime Minister Modi to G7 meet, discuss China standoff. Military against people protests George Floyd's murder by a cop. National news. Cyclone Nisarga, Indigo cancels 17 flights to and from Mumbai. In the first phase, classes 10 to 12 would be started in July, followed by classes 6 to 9, and the last phase, classes 1 to 5, would begin. The colleges and universities classes will begin in August. Only 90 flights to be operated from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport today. PM Modi called for a second cabinet meet at 11 a.m. today. More relief measures likely to be announced. Local news. Positive health workers trade cases spark concern in Kerala. As Kerala witnessed an increase in COVID-19 cases among health workers and persons with no travel or contact history, the medical fraternity has expressed concern the community spread of the virus may have happened in the state. Kerala Dalit student killed herself. Parents say upset over not being able to attend online class. A pregnant wild elephant in Kerala's Silent Valley forest fell victim to an act of human cruelty after a pineapple filled with powerful cracker offered by a man exploded in her mouth. When she composed on it, a senior forest officer said here on Tuesday. Sports news. Dean Jones rubbishes Michael Clark's remarks of Australia not sledging Virat Kohli to save IPL contracts, say, you don't upset the beer. MLS. Players reach new labor deals, resume with tournament. Weather and forecast update. Earthquake measure 4.3 magnitude hits India-Bangladesh border. A moderate intensity earthquake measuring 4.3 on the Richter scale rocked the India-Bangladesh border on Wednesday morning, but there were no reports of any damage, officials said. Mumbai escaped cyclone Nisarga storm as wind speeds weaken. Kerala set to tackle monsoon memories of flood flurry state. Cyclone Nisarga lightning strike Bhavnagar as heavy rains lashes Gujarat. That's it for today's daily news. We will be back tomorrow with a new updates. Thank you.